My journey to my senior project may not seem as passionate as others. I had to face a difficult choice in order to determine which senior project was going to be right for me. There are some prominent scientists in my family and outside of my family as well. My cousin had studied biochemistry and my uncle has his PhD in biochemistry as well. As I was growing up, they liked to buy me chemistry sets and watch me play around with them. I was just fascinated with mixing the chemicals the kit came with and watching the chemical reactions as they bubbled and changed colors. But getting older, I began to slowly lose interest. So I decided to rekindle my interest in science for my senior project rather than for my first choice, which was to volunteer in a hospital. Although the hospital was my first choice, I realized that working in a hospital could be emotionally exhausting. Plus, they weren't taking interns, and I wouldn't be able to do very many hours with them. This was very disappointing to me because I just couldn't see myself working anywhere else. I didn't really know what to do. I had applied to more than one hospital, and all of them turned me down. At this point, I grew worried of not being able to find a project in time. Luckily, I remembered I was offered an internship a while ago at the biochemistry lab at UNM. The biochemistry lab, however, is located inside of the School of Medicine in UNM, and I would train to become a lab assistant and assist the graduate students. Then they told me the current project that they were working on, and I became very excited and eager to start my training as soon as possible. The graduate students were currently working on biological research pertaining to the study of neurological development as well as recovery from brain injury. Now, to me, this is groundbreaking research, and research that will make a huge difference in how we understand the human brain. To be participating in such an important research is just amazing to me. I could really contribute to making a difference. After I heard about the kind of work I would be doing at the lab, I was no longer disappointed that I was rejected from the hospitals. This is life-changing research that could help patients with brain injuries and disabilities with a large benefit to the medical community. Although I will not be working in a hospital, this is the right place to start. Medical sciences is very, very important, not just for the community, but for the entire world. I believe that medical sciences will continue to improve, leading to new cures and developing and helping billions of people all over the world. This is just the starting point. I am very excited and eager to begin my training over the summer, and my internship at the lab is what I look forward to the most in my senior year. I can't wait to be working with my mentor and to make this experience a new part of my identity.